Real quick video covering something I have found on the yellow GT3 bearings. These are the ones with the yellow paint on them. They have just small traces of it. They are this brand, just like the ones everyone else has had so far. And all the bearings seem to fit well in the case bore, in the standard case bore. However, one of them I found fits a little bit loose. The way I know that it is the bearing and not the case is because I can take this good one, take the bad one that fits loose in this bore, still fits loose here, and over here I can take the known good one and it fits in the bore with no issues. So again, we found this. I found one half bearing shell that had issues. Communicated that back to my supplier, showed them footage of this, and thankfully they were able to send me a replacement. So that's it. Nothing wrong with them, just keep an eye out for check them as you would any other parts. That's it. Thank you.